Alright, so I had a little bit of paint left over from a flip cup I just did. So I think now I'm going to do a flip and drag piece. This was obviously a canvas that me and my husband tried to recreate something on, and it definitely did not work. So my plan is to use the whites on the outside and to mix all the colors into the cup that we're going to drag. Alright, so there we go. And then I've got this white, and then I have this white with silver little like chunks of glitter. But I'm just going to go ahead and mix that into the regular white. And then just mix all of that together. And this should be plenty of white. Oh no. Don't know if y'all could see that in frame, but I just like stuck my finger in this paint and almost knocked it over. That would have been wonderful. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of just the same as if I was doing a flip cup method, but I don't want it centered. Right here, I think. And then I'm supposed to pour this all around. Alright, so that didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to, but I do like how it turned out.